walikuwa naasha moto kwa entrance.
Je kuzuia.
Hii maji iko hapa kitambo.
Hii maji iko hapa.
Haina mvua hii.
Sasa ni glacier.
Ilikuwa mawe.
Nani alisoma hivi?
Hizo mimi zilikuwa zinatangaje. Unikumbusha. Nenda.
Watajua.
Hey my loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe and also share. Today we're going to Mount Elgon National Park, where we are prepared for everything and also hiking. We were told that we're gonna have a guide when we reach there at the gate, so everything will go in order as my team is ready for that hiking. We were approaching the gate, and as you can see, the students were there, like everyone wanted to get into the park. So there's a security check as usual. You take your time as a driver until they finish checking your car. Everyone had to undergo this for the safety of the animals and also for our safety. Like I told you earlier, there are waterfall, caves, animal, nature, everything is here. So this was the starting point of us going to the waterfall. It was kind of like rocky, a lot of trees. So we just had to go slowly as a team, definitely talking, taking photos while reaching the waterfall. The scene was beautiful, the water was cool. So if you wanted to swim, you definitely would choose this place to go and get your body in the water. As usual, if you're going to a place where there's water body like a river, an ocean, a waterfall like this, you always have to carry an extra pair of clothes or a swimming costume, a towel, so that you can change if you fall in the water or the water goes onto you. Come up, please. This is small water, so it's not that big deal, but you just have to take extra caution when going near water. You can slip and fall, you can cause accidents to others, and everyone might be hurt. So be careful when going to places like this. From here, our next place to go was the caves. We were going to hike back to the nature trail of Kitum Caves. It's called Kitum Caves. But they were advising us to be silent because the animals were going to go and run away if they are triggered by any noise. Before you try hiking, be well prepared in your mind and even on the clothes that you wear. Some of the plants are itchy when they touch you, some they have thorns, and you have to wear like something that you know will not interfere with you while climbing. Look at the view, look at how people are walking. It's not that bad, but it's a good exercise for everyone. You can see the trees, the plants, the green things. Everything looks so beautiful. Here is a small waterfall, like a mini waterfall from the first one. It comes from the large one. That was the first waterfall. And this waterfall is at the entrance of the caves where we were going to enter in. So you can see like our second destination is here. It's cave time. We were getting briefed by our guide. This was the entrance of the cave. He was telling us what to expect inside and how we are going to maneuver inside. The rocks, there were waters, he said that the elephant had been there earlier, so we were like looking at the leftovers of the feces of the elephants. As you know, caves are usually dark, and when going inside you need a flashlight and you need to watch your steps because you don't know what you're stepping inside or what you're stepping into. now approaching the exit, and funny thing about this cave that we found out is the entrance and the exit are exactly at the same point. So it's like you're going in a circle. You move in a circle. When you're done moving from the start to the end, it's the same point you're going to come to. At the exit, the weather had already started changing and it was raining. So we were trying to go fast and catch up with our van before the rain gets bigger. If you're planning a trip to Western Kenya, this is one of the places that you would love to visit and enjoy the view, enjoy the nature and the animals too. It's affordable, the cost too is affordable. The price of paying the guide is also affordable. It's not that expensive and not that cheap. It's average. Don't forget to tell me what you think about visiting the Mount Elgon National Park, the animals, the place, the view, and the caves. This is the place you'll want to know much about when you visit Western Kenya. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. And also click on the red notification bell so you receive a notification anytime I post a video.